If you feel like nobody clicks your link, you post, you share, you DM, and it's crickets, listen, this is the video that changes because today I'm going to show you how to get people to actually click your link even if you have 0 followers, no email list, and you're starting from scratch. And the best part, you don't have to beg, spam, or annoy people. I'm going to give you copy and paste templates that make people want to click without being salesy. So before we start, drop a quick "I'm ready" in the comments so I know you're serious about getting traffic to your link. If you're new here, welcome to the free First Sale Bootcamp. This is where I walk you step by step to your first online sale. No fluff, no overwhelm, just real moves that get results. And if you haven't joined yet, hit the link in the description to officially join for free so you get the daily emails, the templates, and challenge updates. Because this whole series builds on each other and you don't want to miss a step. Let me be honest with you. Getting clicks is not about having a big following. It's about saying the right thing to the right people at the right time. You ever scroll and see someone promoting something and you're like, wait, what is that? Then 2 minutes later, you're deep on their page or signing up for their freebie. That's messaging. That's what we're fixing today. I used to post every day and couldn't get a single person to click a link. Then I learned it's not about shouting louder, it's about connecting better. Here's the framework I use to get clicks, even with a small audience. Step 1, you want to lead with pain or desire. People don't click because of logic, they click because of emotion. And here's an example, post to not post. Check out this system that pays commissions. And then there's this one. If you've been trying to make money online, but everything feels too complicated, try this instead. See the difference? One sounds like an ad. The other sounds like a friend who found a shortcut. Step 2, add a curiosity hook. Don't tell them everything up front. Make them curious enough to want to know what's behind the link. And here's another example. I used this free tool to make my first $27 online without selling anything. That line gets attention. Now they need to click to see what it is. And step 3, build trust with relatability. Show you're human. Say something that lets people know you're not another random online stranger. And here's my last example. I was literally broke trying to figure this stuff out. So if I can do this, trust me, you can too. That one sentence drops people's guards and builds connection. Now, for my bonus step, which is step 4, make your CTA feel like a next step, not a sale. People hate feeling sold to, but they love feeling like they're progressing. So here's a bonus example post that you can use in the future. If you want to see how I did it, the link's right there. It's 100% free. Just follow the steps. You're not selling, you're inviting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Ronnie, this sounds good, but what do I actually say when I post? But don't worry, I got you. I've already written the exact phrases you can copy and post today, even if you've never done this before. And these work for Instagram, Facebook, Threads, YouTube Shorts, YouTube, anything, anywhere you talk online. And here's my first example 1. I finally did it post. I've been trying to figure out how to make money online for months. I kept overcomplicating it until I found a free tool that does it all for me. If you've been trying and keep getting stuck, this might help. Then you put your link in your bio or the comments. Example 2, starting the challenge post. I joined this free bootcamp to finally make my first online sale. It's beginner-friendly, step-by-step, and I'm committing to finishing it. If you want to do it with me, join here. It's 100% free. Example 3 is my quick win post. This one free tool helped me set up everything, checkout pages, emails, without paying for 10 different apps. I've been using it for my bootcamp challenge, and it's wild how simple it is. The link's going to be below. Now, those are my top 3 posts to get you started, but now it's your turn. The first thing I want you to do is pick one of these templates. Second, add your link with your affiliate ID at the end and post it today. Then comment post it once it's live so I can know you're moving. And if you haven't yet, make sure you join the free bootcamp using the link in the description of this video. That's where I'm going to send you all of these scripts and the templates and daily breakdowns so you can keep stacking wins. Now, tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to turn those clicks into your first sale. You're going to see exactly what happens behind the scenes when someone buys through your link and how to set it up so it runs automatically. Stay locked in. You're closer to your first sale than you think. Let's get it. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.